Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how can you install Postman on a Windows machine. If you guys are using REST APIs or microservices, then you must know about Postman. Postman is most widely used REST API client. So basically we use Postman to test the REST APIs. Alright guys. So what we'll do in this video, we'll go to the official website of Postman. So we'll go and download the setup file on our machine and we'll install the Postman. And then we'll create an account on Postman. So without having an account, we cannot use Postman, right? So it is a must to have an account on Postman to make use of the Postman client. Alright guys, so there are two ways to make use of the Postman. You can install locally on your machine or you can use the web version. Alright guys, but in this video, we'll download the exe file, the setup file, we'll install on our local machine. Alright. So let's begin. So guys, I'm here. Let's go to google.com and type download Postman. Let's click on the very first URL, which is the official website of Postman. Okay. Now guys, here you see there is an option to download a 64-bit exe file. Click on that. Okay, it's done. So let me just go and open in a folder and I'll simply go and double click on this particular setup file. Okay. Click on run. Now here you can see it is installing Postman. Here it is asking us to create an account, right? So let's go. If you guys already have an account, you can simply sign in. If you do not have, you can create an account, right? So what I'm going to do is I'll just go and create a free account. Okay, so here I have to pass the email ID. So I will use my email. I'll use username as OKJava and password. I will put my password. Okay. Sign up to get up to you. Stay signed in for 30 days. It's all up to you. And click on create free account. So guys, if you want, you can simply use your Gmail account to create an account on Postman, right? So it is all up to you. There are multiple ways, right? One way is you can pass all your details. Second way, you can simply click on sign up with Google. Okay. Now click on create free account. Open Postman. Okay, so it says welcome to Postman, asking me to enter my name. So I write OKJava. Let's go and select backend developer. Okay, and then how do you plan to use Postman? You can select whatever you feel like. Okay, so say for example this one, API documentation and all, right? And then click on continue. So guys, you can use a team name because I'm a single user, right? So I'll simply click on continue without a team. All right, guys. So basically what you see now, our Postman is up and running. So we have installed and we have our account as well. All right. Now the very first thing that we have to go and create a workspace. So what we'll do, we'll go to workspaces here and let's go and create a workspace. Okay. You can call it REST API workspace. Okay. Now visibility, who can access your workspace? Only you or private. So basically when you click on private, you can ask your team members to join it by sharing a link. All team or public. So let's go and select personal because it's your own personal workspace. Okay. And click on create workspace. So this is done. Now guys, what we'll do, I can click on this plus icon here. You see, click on this one and here you can pass your URL to test the REST API. From here you can choose the function that you want to choose. Get, put, post, delete or whatever, right? So we'll talk about all the REST API functions later, but let me give you a quick demo. Let's go and get some data. So what I will do, I will try to fetch some dummy REST API. So guys, I have used a dummy REST endpoint, right? And I have made a GET request, right? And here I can see some users, ID 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 and all. Okay, so guys, point is we have installed Postman successfully on our machine and we have tested on REST API. We'll talk more about Postman in the coming videos, alright? And I will explain how can you use Postman to test REST APIs. Alright guys, thank you for watching.